Welcome to Susanna Home Remedies. If you're interested in leading a healthy life and learning natural remedies, you have come to the right place. You don't want to miss all the information I have for you. But before going with the video, take a few seconds to subscribe to the channel and activate all the notifications in the bell so that in this way you don't miss any of our interesting videos. Let's start. Thank you very much for joining us until the end of the video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to receive more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate all notifications in the bell. Do not forget to comment. We love that you leave us your questions and greetings. Until next time, God bless you.